Hey guys, it's me, the Dan399. Here to show you my gumball machine. And before we get started, hope you watch World Wars. Real cool show, and it's on Animal Planet. And they're doing reruns tonight. Tonight's June 4th, and they're doing reruns all night. So okay, let's get back to the machine. I had this built for about a month. I found it behind some other Lego creations, and a couple of days ago I watched a video of Guitar 91, and one of his videos, and it was the same mechanism. So yeah, same mechanism. So let me show you how it works. Hold on, let me see if the marbles in there. Okay, the marbles in there. Let me fix something. Okay. So see, there's a marble in there. So if you put in the key, no marble comes out. See, nothing comes out. Right there, there's a piece of your ramps. See, it's not coming out because it's a ramp. Now I push it back into its place. So if you put in the key, nothing comes out. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take a penny and pop it in there. Okay, now I want to take a nickel. Okay, now a dime. Okay, push it back because it doesn't work. For some reason, I don't know, I push back the marble. So, now I'm going to take the quarter and put it in and go. So you get the marble before the money goes in. See, the marble came out and you heard the money going. After, so you get a marble. Well, a marble would be a gumball if I had some, but I don't. Now you come back here, pop this out, and check out the change. And see right there's a little bit of trigger. You push that back, and then put this back in. Then you put back in your gumball. Now you're ready for your next purchase. And nothing comes out. So let me show you the mechanism. Sorry, so a lot of pieces came off, so you're going to have to wait a second. Okay. So, this is where the key goes. You can see. So if you see the mechanism, the key doesn't reach it. So that's as far as it can go. So right here you have your gumball, and the key can't reach it, so the gumball doesn't move. So how this thing works is when you put in a penny, when you put it in, it has enough room to go over the trigger. With the nickel, it can still go over the trigger. With a dime, it can definitely go over the trigger. Sorry, that's my computer. But with a quarter, there's not enough room, because see how tall it is to that? Can't go over that. So what it does is push it, and the gumball doesn't fall this time. So, and then the quarter will fall into this coin slot right here. Then you come back here, pop the circle, and your quarters in here, and stuff. So that's how it works. So this dropped. So it's a pretty cool little machine. I like it. So another thing, watch World Wars next Friday on Animal Planet. Real cool show. So This is the Dan 399 with my simple gumball machine. So I hope you like it. So this is the Dan 399 out.
It's been a long, 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 long